can take me higher? Show me things I've never seen. I'm looking for a tone man. Can you give me what I need? Who can take me higher? Show me things I've never seen. I'm looking for a tone man. Can you give me what I need?
Alright guys, we're looking at something super special today. This is a Team Losi XTE. This is a ready-to-run Truggy. Retails for $629.99. It's on sale now, down from $680. This is a really special car. It is basically going to give you the performance of something that along the lines of a kit that would cost you about $2,000 to $2,500 to get together. You're getting all that for about a quarter of the price. It's a very good value because this thing performs incredible. It has a 2250 kV censored motor with a censored speed control. It's really nice. If you want to see, the censored cable goes right to the back of the motor. It's very, very smooth when you're running this thing. It's a lot smoother than a Kraton EXP. In fact, this car I would recommend to people that are into Kratons. If you want to get something that's very different and very precise, that runs on 4S and is going to be something that you can control, have complete control of on a track, you definitely want to look at this car. If you look at the way that the components are laid out in the chassis, look at that. Look at that balance. Everything here is for balance. They even give you a longer battery tray. If you look at how long the tray is, to move your battery fore and aft to control your balance on the car. You basically will go to the track. You'll start jumping your car, going through the turns. Play with your battery. You know, move it back and forth. See where you like it. Everybody likes something different. I like my battery all the way forward. I find that it just works the best. Now, out of the box, this car was a mess, meaning it wasn't set up. You had massive toe out, and all your camber adjustments were all different, and they were all off. I set mine on every corner to -1 degree, and I actually put the front toe in at neutral. In that setup, it really runs good. Now, I did watch a bunch of reviews on this car from other YouTube content creators, and I noticed nobody changed I saw one guy running with the stock out-of-the-box settings. He had massive toe out, and the way that his car was driving around the track, you can tell his camber was way off because he was sliding everywhere. When you dial this car in, when you get it out of the box, don't make a mistake and just take it for a run. It is not set up from the factory. And a car this precise, when the measurements and the all the settings are off, your car is going to drive like crap, and it's going to be noticeable. So don't make the mistake of a lot of people. Don't buy the car and then, you know, not adjust it. Now, for this particular customer, we pair this with a DX6C radio, a big step above the one that comes with the kit. And what I really like about this radio is it works with the battery and all the Spectrum electronics to have telemetry. If you look at here, you see all the battery information. It's real time. And then you have the temperature. Looks like the temperature of the speed control. And then you have every cell. It'll actually... it'll tell you the voltage on every cell that you have here. And yeah, you get all these readouts, and it's very nice. It's really good to have, and it all blends in with the Spectrum electronics. We really like it a lot. But what comes with this car is, for the first time, it comes with Pro-Line wheels and tires, and that's because Horizon Hobby acquired Pro-Line about a year or two ago, and now they include them in all their racing kits, and it's really nice. I really like that the fact that the shocks are not anodized. They don't have like a color. It makes them look more grown up. I don't like the way that, you know, the Armor Crane has those colored shocks, whether they're red or black. I don't like them. I like a nice machine-looking shock, pure aluminum. It really looks pure and really nice. It looks like it's ready to kick ass. It comes with front and rear sway bars for extra stability. You have the aluminum steering knuckles on the front. They're very nice. They're good for durability and for precision. They don't allow any flex in that. You have aluminum shock towers front and rear. And the car is overall a very, very precise car. Now, most people are going to drive this with a 4S battery. You can drive it on 3S, but I like 4S. And you could also play with the gearing. There is a little bit of room to go up about 2 to 3 teeth if you want a little bit more speed. The motor does have enough torque to do that. Now, I just want to show you the servo in this car is an S665. I like it a lot. But what I like really about the servo is not the torque. It's really this transit time. It's 0.10, and look how fast, and look at the centering ability. You let go of the steering wheel, it centers perfect every time. This is a really good servo, and if you want to put it in any other car that you own, This car is not going to overpower anything, but it's going to be super precise and very, very accurate. You know, you don't really need more than 300 ounces of torque in a car like this. And we think that the servo is really a nice touch to this car. Usually in a ready-to-run kit, they put these crappy servos where you have to upgrade them. This servo, you do not need to upgrade. Now, for the battery on this car, we went with the Spectrum battery because we wanted the telemetry to work. It's 100C, it's 5,000 milliamp, 14.8 volts. It's the perfect size and weight. It's got a hard case on it, so it's really not going to get punctured if anything happens during driving. And like I said before, the battery tray is definitely, it's extra long on purpose because they want you to adjust the weight of the car. It's going to affect the handling as you drive it. Now, like I said before about the camber, if you want to adjust your camber the right way, you want to get a really good camber gauge. Don't get the plastic ones. They're not going to be accurate. You need a machined aluminum camber gauge, and J Concepts makes a really nice one. I think we have them on our website. I'm not sure if we're out of them, but check the links below this video. I post all the items that I show in a video below the video. Please support us if you can, and that would be great. By the way, I just want to mention this little turnbuckle tool. It's made by Techno. It has 4 and 5 millimeter sizes on it, and basically it's really nice for adjusting all your turnbuckles. It's a beautiful piece. It's made out of pure steel, precision item. I have this for the last 3 or 4 years, and they're really good. Also, check my website for it. They're very nice. It's the Techno turnbuckle key. Now, the speed control, because it's Spectrum, is programmable, so you can go through all the parameters that you want to do to adjust your car. You could also adjust some parameters in the radio if you want to do dual rates, your endpoints, all that stuff. Very nice, very easy and nice to do. Now, this body comes half painted from the factory. We chose, this is the color that you painted. This was the accent color that we chose, red. We thought it popped nice with the yellow, and it matches the color that they put on the box, really nice. But yeah, you can choose your color. I think red is going to be the way to go. A metallic red is also very nice. Tamiya paints are usually the best. If you're going to paint anything, check our website for Tamiya paints. They usually have the best performance, and they also stick to the Lexan very good. Other brands we find chip easily, where Tamiya does not. Also, if you're using Tamiya paints, they're very strong and powerful. You want to use, definitely you want to use protection and some kind of nose and mouth covering, because they are very toxic and you don't want to breathe those in. They're dangerous. Now, thank you for joining us on this short first look at the Team Losi XTE. We're going to be posting some footage of this car in the next coming weeks, and we hope to show you how this car performs on a track and in the pit. Thank you so much for joining us, and have a great day.